So this is my question. Are you elite or are you a freak?
Ooh, I'm an elite freak.
Ah, yeah.
A freak in the sheets.
Hey, this is Javi Mack and I'm here with.
Rose Carter.
And this is Interviews from the Chair. So, how do you feel being directly behind me in this experience?
I feel like this is a great moment for me. I feel like I'm slightly lording over you, and I have all the power right now.
Oh, you have all the power.
of it.
All the power. So this is my question. Are you elite or are you a freak?
Ooh, I know the answer to this one.
Okay.
I'm an elite freak.
Yeah, right.
I am.
Let's go. All right, see you soon. Where can people find you?
People can find me at rosecarter.com and Rose Carter with 2 A's on most socials, Instagram and x.com.
Check it out. Bobby!